smart city. In this, we have done 5 electric components: solar tracker, wireless car charging, solar rooftop, smart dustbin, and solar street light. Now, Rox will tell you about the solar tracker.
This is a solar tracker. By this, we can save the maximum amount of solar energy. We'll show you with the example. The wires are connected to the battery. Now I will on the torch to the side. This will move, and this will show you that how electricity is saved and our electricity is come at our home. That's why we save more electricity. Now I will tell about wireless car charging. Wireless car charging is you can save our environment and battery life. Simply park your car and recharge your car with auto battery. Now my friend Kashyap will speak about
This is a smart dustbin. When it's full, the buzz will ring sound, and when it's empty, buzz will not ring sound. Let's switch it. Dustbin is full, and it's ring sound, and dustbin is empty, and not ring sound. Next, my friend Saman will tell solar street lights. This is the solar street light. In this, we have put the battery in the connector, and when we put the hand on the sensor, the light will on. This shows that in the day, the light will not bloom, but in the night, the light will bloom for the vehicles. Thank you for listening.
ये लगे तो इसको थोड़ा अलग करो, थोड़ा अभी के लिए तेज आवाज में।
Good morning. We are going to discuss about hemodialysis.
Hemodialysis is a treatment that removes waste and extra fluids from your blood. It is a common treatment for kidney failure. Can you feel better and life longer? How it's work?
In our body, the blood are present in both human arteries. Arteries are impure substance, then it is converted to impure substance. Then it is hemodialysis power. And then there is two dialyzer, fresh dialyzer and used dialyzer. In fresh dialyzer, the chemical substance are present.
Use dialysis to remove waste and extra fluids from your blood and return to our clean blood in our body. Thank you.
Good morning.
बड़े पापा ये बैठ जाओ, पीछे बैठ जाओ।
Good morning. There is an overflow indicator. As you can see here, there is a tank installed, and there are 2 tanks also. And when the water reaches this level, when the water is getting filled in the tank, the buzzer in the LED gets activated as the water is being filled. You can see as
आसपास बहुत आवाज है, तो आवाज आपको लाउड रखना है, ओके?
Good morning, sir. So first of all, a very cheerful note. My name is Dharma, and these are my companions, Anuradha and Vidushi. And we will be leading you today to a project of innovations of renewable resources. So, I would like to talk about an innovative way of utilizing renewable energy, and that is wind energy, to generate electricity and to automate the street lights. As we know that wind energy is a clean and a sustainable process for generating electricity. When the wind blows, it turns the blades of the wind turbines, and hence this generates the motor and produces electricity. This energy or electricity can also be stored in these batteries. It can also be stored in these batteries. But however, what happens when there is no wind energy, or during the night time, or at the rainy seasons when there is no wind energy available? That's when the energy stored in the batteries come into use. So, during the daytime, the electricity is stored in this battery, and the stored energy is useful during the night time when the street lights need to be turned on. But how do they turn on automatically? Basically, LDR is a sensor that detects the amount of light in surrounding. During the day, it is ample sunlight, so it detects the high light levels and keeps the street lights off. But however, when the sun sets and the darkness falls, the LDR detects no light levels and automatically turns on the lights. This is how it works. And the stored energy could also be useful in the turning on the lights and fans of the house. The street lights on, and this is because of the storage of energy in this battery. This was the whole concept of battery.
Hi, I'm Kanishka. Today we are about to discuss the process of distillation. We have to boil any liquid until it reaches its boiling point. It automatically vaporizes. The vapors will come into the water condenser and the vapors will cool down here. The vapors will come into the flask. As you can see, the water is colored here and the water is not colored here. Thank you.
बंद कर दे
इतना नॉइज है तो आवाज नहीं आएगी
बटन एक बंद करी दे save your battery by simply park your car and recharge
Good, thank you.
This is our working model, the nuclear power plant. The nuclear power plant helps us to generate electricity and energy for houses and businesses all around the globe. Now we will understand that how this nuclear power plant works. So first, it starts with a steam turbine, which gets power from the generator. The generator gets power from this transmission line. After the steam turbine is on like this, the steam is transported into this container built. In this, the nuclear atoms and particles are mixed with this steam, and then the steam is converted into nuclear steam. This nuclear steam is transferred into this condenser. In that condenser, the steam converts into liquid. That liquid is transferred into this cooling tower. Here, the nuclear water is thrown in this pool, and the water don't contain any nuclear energy. It is thrown out by converting it into water vapor. This is called nuclear power.
In conclusion, nuclear power plant provide us clean energy, but it is important we make sure we manage waste and safety properly. Thank you.
Good, very good.
Good morning. You have to play the game in which you have to hold this handle and read till the end. If you touch the wire, then you will be out. Start.
निकालिए अभी नहीं निकालिए
Side, all of the kids.
बेटा
Over there.
बिल्कुल सामने
Beta.
अरे सीधे खड़े हो जाओ हाँ तेज वॉइस में ठीक है चलो ठीक करो आ जाओ इतना लाउड बोला क्योंकि बहुत सारा चीजें ना तो आएगा नहीं तो तेज बोलना जितना तेज बोल सकते हो
Good morning. I am Utrecha, presenting you my new innovative project on moon exploration vessel. So it's more innovative compared to other space shuttles which were launched in 80s and 90s. So it's representing some new innovative things like photocatalytic electrolysis generator, microgravity chest pads, and 3D printing storage unit. So you will think what's photocatalytic oxygen generator. So this means it uses sunlight and water for generating oxygen. So this resolver, here the resolver will store the hydrogen and use the carbon dioxide generated by the astronauts while breathing and cut that carbon dioxide from the oxygen, carbon from carbon dioxide and use the oxygen and the stored hydrogen for generating the water and everything. 3D printed storage and equipment tank which will produce the 3D printed tools which is less cheaper, less weighter and it's also very bigger because it's less and it will also cut the cost of launching a rocket. Thank you.
Today
is my friend Hardik. I'm here with our project. Our project is on rainwater harvest. Do you know how much water is wasted when it rains? Some houses in some localities have a network of pipes which go eventually into a collection. This method is called rainwater harvesting. So here it is, our project. As you can see here, when it rains, the water collected on the rooftop flows through these pipes into a filtration tank, from where it is purified and goes into a collection tank. When the water in the collection tank begins to overflow, it flows conveniently into a pipe into a tank located below the house, from where it is utilized in the house through different pipes like faucets, showers, etc. So this was our project on rainwater harvesting. Some houses have a system of pipes that flow into a collection. We say that all houses should have this facility of collecting and reutilizing the rainwater. Thank you.
घबराना नहीं है, कॉन्फिडेंट हो गए हो?
Blood circulatory system. Have you ever wondered how our body stays alive and active? It's all thanks to our blood circulatory system. This amazing system works like a delivery network. Our heart is the engine pumping blood to every part of your body. The blood carries oxygen and nutrients to your organs and takes away waste like carbon dioxide. Digestive system. Do you know that every time we eat, body starts an incredible journey? The journey of food. Yes, the food we eat goes on a trip to our body where it's broken down. Finally, waste is excreted from the body, and the digestive system is responsible for breaking down the food and taking out the nutrients that are absorbed by water. Let's talk about something else. Even without thinking, have you ever wondered how your body doesn't have something? That's what the respiratory system is about. The respiratory system and it helps our body. It helps to breathe in oxygen, which our body needs for energy, and bring out carbon dioxide which is a waste gas. Skeletal system. Remember, body as a body goes on everything up into the side. We share organs. Actually, skeletal system. Strong. Skeleton is like a frame of a plate. Inside them is giving our body shape and structure. It is made up of bones. We have bones on the chest for our body. That is the skeleton system. Why do you think? It is good for our body and help us to stand still. Next, let's see about the lungs. Did you know the female thyroid is the longest bone in our body? Here is the smallest. Thank you.
Good.
Good morning. Have you ever wondered how beautiful patterns are created by light and colors? Wait, let me introduce you to something fascinating. The kaleidoscope. A kaleidoscope is a cylindrical operated device with colorful objects like glass pieces or beads inside. When you look through one end of it and go to it, beautiful symmetrical patterns created by the reflection of light. Works on the principle of multiple reflection.
Hmm.
Good morning. Would you like to drive a model? It's a model with connects states and capitals. Like, suppose it's Gujarat and Latvia. If you can it's like we all wanted to remember 28 states with the capitals. Very difficult task. But what if learning was as fun as playing the game? That's the idea behind our model. The state and capital matching model that turns memorization into hands-on puzzle-based activity. It's not just logical, it's fun. And you will never forget our geography again.
Our model is coming with several exciting features that make it stand out. Interactive learning. It allows users to engage actively with the material rather than memorizing learning. Error-free matches. Only exact matches trigger the buzzer or light in ensuring learning. Customizable design. It adapted to topics like India states and capitals.
Model is like a mini game that combines learning with real-time feedback. Here's how it works. Do follow with me. Pick a state. You see a state name in front of you. Maybe it's Rajasthan. Second, choose a capital. Choose capital. Then maybe it could be it's Jaipur or if you come here
कौन सा एक्सप्लेन करती हो?
Imagine the world of electricity as a flowing river. Some acts like bridges helping the river to flow smoothly, while other side some acts like walls blocking its path. Welcome to our demonstration of conductors and insulators. This setup is designed to help us understand two types of materials. Conductors. These are the bridges. They allow the electricity to pass through easily. Insulators. These are the walls. They prevent the flow of electricity. In front of us, we have a simple circuit, a battery, a bulb, and two terminals where we can insert different materials to test whether they are conductors or insulators.
Step 2. Testing the materials. These are some metal coin. Metal is an insulator. Conductor. Their atoms have free electrons that can move easily, allowing the electricity to pass easily and flow. Next, let's test it. Let's stick. What is an insulator? It doesn't have free electrons to carry the current. Watch closely. The bulb does not light up. Thus, the circuit remains incomplete.
Step 3. Now, why does this matter? In real life, we use conductors like copper or aluminium for wiring as they efficiently carry electricity to where it's needed. On the other hand, we use insulators like rubber or plastic as a cover around it to protect us from electrical shocks. Step 4. Here's a piece of graphite, the same material found in a pencil leaf. Graphite is not a metal, but watch closely. When I inserted into the circuit, the bulb glows faintly.
Through this model, we see the practical conductors and insulators. Conductors like graphite, metal, that electricity flow. But insulators like wood, plastic, rubber block the flow. This knowledge is crucial for designing safe electrical systems in schools, homes, industries, etc. Think of next time you see a fire. The conductor inside it carries the power while the insulator keeps it safe for you to tell. Thank you.
बेटा
लाउडली बोलना है, लाउडली जितनी तेज बोल, क्योंकि रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है ना, तो लाउडली, ठीक है?
It works with phone, but the screen here, so this phone can display the screen here. This is a hologram chart. It works with phone because the screen comes here and the glass is here, so screen display here. And the glass displays reflection of light from there, and we can see the image is there. And this is a big hologram chart. It looks like a real thing, but it is not a real thing. So we can see the images like butterflies and octopuses and so many things. Actually, images can move or change shape. So it works with phone because the phone screens come here, so the glass display the phone and it reflects with here, so we can see some videos and then things in the glass. The glass is so clean, so we can see the picture so clearly. And it looks like a real thing, but in reality no. So it is not the real thing. And you like this video? Please like it.
अच्छा, तो ये लाउडली है, बहुत बोली।
This is a maths part. This method of angles, the tool in which we can measure angles. Integers. Integers have two sides, negative and positive sides. In integers, there is a fun factor. Zero is neither positive nor negative. But the union pair, which makes a straight angle. The sides and make the 180 degree. Types of angles A square plus B square is equal to C square. Components of bar graph. This whole project is a maths bar. And next, in next we have this nesting game. Nesting game. First, in game we have to make 4 squares. 3 squares and only 2 jumps. And in third, we have to correct an equation by moving and 2 jump sticks. And the equation is 77 minus 77 is equal to 77. We have to correct the equation. 77 minus 77.
This is the project of types of angles. From this, you can see various types of angles. Like first, it comes acute angle. You can see the measurement. If you don't know, there is also one method. You can see this from this. You can see the measure of that. Now, there is acute angle, right angle, which measures 90 degrees exactly. You can also learn from this by seeing this. Now, there is obtuse angle, which measures more than 90 degrees, less than 180. You can see this by seeing this, and you can also like that. Then it comes straight angle, which measures exact 180. Which all you can also see this by seeing this. That straight angle measures 180 degrees. Reflex angle, which means more than 180, less than 180. You can also see this by that seeing that definition. And finally, there comes complete angle, which measures all 360 degrees. You can see this by seeing this at last. You can also rotate it and play various types of games like that. This all makes types of angles and it is of 6 steps. For this, these all angles make this project types of angles.
पूरा ले लो।
Good morning. I'm Bharat and here is my friend Marco. We have taken this volcano eruption project. Now, Mantram will tell you the causes and disaster made by this volcano eruption in real life. Causes of volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption can be done when magma gets enough collected in
a lot of destruction and loss of life and property. Now we will show you the model of volcanic eruption.
So firstly we will put some vinegar and now we will put some baking soda. Now we will tell you some facts. Do you know when was the first volcano erupted on the earth? It was 3.825 billion years ago. Volcano was named after a Roman god Vulcan, who was the god of fire.
Mauna Loa in Hawaii is the largest volcano in the world. Do you know? Till now, the biggest temperature while erupting volcano is 1200 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Start.
Good morning. Myself, Ashwamodhan Sahu, along with my team members of Class 6B, welcoming you to this excited educational fair. Today, on the interest of our students and teachers in science, me and my friends have prepared this beautiful plot of magnetic projects. And yes, if in case you are wondering what is the word magnetic, so let me tell you that the word magnetic refers to magnets. Magnetism is an object which has the power to create its own dominating magnetic field. It can be either attractive magnetic field, repulsive magnetic field, or electromagnetic field. So now, as you have learned what is magnetic, so now let's come back to our plot. In this plot, we have totally 6 different kinds of projects, each one representing a unique and unlike type and properties of magnets. One by one, my friends and I are going to explain each project with a demonstration that how they work. So here's the first project. It is called a thing called the magnetic flying safety pin. I made this project using 2 A4 size paper, 1 A4 size cardboard, some pieces of thread, some sellotape, 1 empty matchbox and 2 magnets. This project is entirely based upon the magnetic law of attraction. For example, if I remove this magnet like this, so this pin does not float in air. But once again, if I put this magnet and raise up the pin once again, so this pin again floats in air. By using this project, you can easily understand the magnetic law of attraction and spend your time productively. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. The name of this project is Jumping Man. To make this project, I used 1 cake base, 2 injections, one strip for the minion to stand, some magnets here and 30 magnets for the repulsion. This project works by repulsion of magnet because it works because of the side of the magnets are at the same position, north and south and south. Because of the repulsion, this magnet moves away from this magnet because of the same position. Thank you.
Good morning. Hi, Bhairav. Today I want to show a magnetic plate to work like this. There is not a cell, there is not a magnet, so it can't work. For example, I show. See, this car cannot move. This is because of the magnetic field. Thank you. My name is.
Good morning, sir. My name is Saman from Class 6B. Today, I am with my project, Magnetic Windmill. To make this project, we bought cardboard, color paper, pencil, water, ice
You can see the farmer is coming. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I have made this greeting card. To move this card, you need to make sure that you send pole like this. Like this, it will work. If you show the different pole to it, it will not repel. It will attract each other. This whole project is based on repulsion. Thank you. Have a nice day, sir.
Oh dear.
Good morning. I am floats away in that.
Over over.
Using this project, you can easily observe the magnetic field.
Good morning. Our project is dancing doll with a magnet. This experiment proves the power of magnet and the attraction of magnet. As you see, when we move the doll, the doll is observed. When we touch the magnet, the doll loses space. This harmonious experiment shows this project was attraction of magnet and power of magnet. Thank you.
Both magnets are on the same side.
शुभ प्रभात. मेरा नाम सोनाक्षी वैद्य.
मेरा नाम कृष्णा.
और मेरा नाम आरव. और आज हम आपको मुहावरे के बारे में बोलेंगे.
मुहावरे वह वाक्यांश होते हैं जो किसी सामान्य अर्थ का बोध कराकर विशेष अर्थ का बोध कराते हैं.
जैसे कि आग बबूला होना,
अत्यंत क्रोधित होना,
भीगी बिल्ली बनना,
डर जाना,
घोड़े बेचकर सोना,
गहरी नींद में सोना,
कान भरना,
चुगली करना.
और अब हम चित्रमय मुहावरे पढ़ेंगे.
मुहावरा आग में घी डालना.
अर्थ क्रोध को और बढ़ाना.
मुहावरा मुंह में पानी आना.
अर्थ लालच करना.
मुहावरा चिराग तले अंधेरा.
अर्थ अपने दोष दिखाई न देना.
मुहावरा 9 2 11 होना.
अर्थ भाग जाना. क्रोध को पार करना, स्पष्ट करना, दो कौड़ी का आदमी कुछ करना, निपुण रहना, बेवकूफ होना, कागज का शेर होना, हाथी बहादुर होना, दो चार होना, समान होना, एक दो तीन होना, भाग जाना, नजर पर चढ़ना, पसंद आना, रंग का प्यार होना, बार बार रंग बदलना. धन्यवाद.
1 2 3 start.
My name is Tithi. My name is Sahaj. And my name is Anita.
I, along with my classmates, are going to present our science project. Our topic is layer of atmosphere, satellite, and magnified glass made up of bulb. Let's start with satellite. In the absence of gravity, a satellite would move in straight line path tangent to the Earth. In the absence of any forces, a moving object such as satellite would move with same length and same speed. It is the law of inertia. The material paper using this satellite box, cardboard, chart paper, colors, lead stick, bottle caps, straws, and etc. Let's see how to convert bulb to magnifying glass. First, we have to remove the bad part of the bulb. After removing that, we have to fill water in the bulb. Then we can see that the bulb is converted to magnifying glass. Let's start with layer of atmosphere. Do you know that the Earth is covered with blanket of air? It also protects us from the harmful effects of sun rays. Layer of atmosphere extends up to a height of 1600 kilometers. The Earth's surface is divided into 5 layers. First, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. The surface of the Earth is called atmosphere. The atmosphere is composition of nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide and other gases like argon, hydrogen is 1%. The atmosphere is composed by nitrogen. Oxygen helps living organisms to breathe.